Hello everyone, welcome back to IT Referral Jobs. Let's see some latest job openings. And our first company is Coforge. Coforge is hiring Java full stack developer. Skills: Java, Spring Boot, Angular, XML or XSLT and data migration. Location: Bangalore, Pune. Experience: 4 to 12 years. Notice period: 0 to 30 days maximum. Interested candidate can share resume on given email ID. EPAM. EPAM is hiring functional testing. Skills: functional testing, database testing, SQL and API testing. Experience: 4 to 16 years. Location: Coimbatore. Notice period: immediate to 30 days. Interested candidate can share resume on given email ID. Yash Technologies. Yash Technologies is hiring M365 engineer. Proficiency in MS Teams is a must. Basic to moderate knowledge in migration to MS Teams. Strong communication skills. Experience 4 to 7 years. Location: Pune. Notice period: 0 to 30 days only. To apply, kindly share your resume on given email ID. Dassault Systems. Dassault Systems is hiring JavaScript developer. Experience: 3 to 5 years in front-end development with strong JavaScript, CSS and HTML skills. Education: bachelor's or master's in computer science, engineering or a related field. Location: Pune. To apply, kindly share your resume on given email ID. Yash Technologies. Yash Technologies is hiring Java project manager. Experience: 10 plus years. Degree: BE BTech or equivalent degree in technical streams. Location: Pune, Magarpatta. Notice period: 30 days maximum. Interested candidate can share resume on given email ID.